All right guys, so we're gonna go through the VIN tag of the Charger real quick. On a Mopar, if you look at the VIN number, it'll pretty much tell me almost everything about the car. So the X is the car line, which is a Charger. S is a price class, it's a special. The 29 is the body, so it's a two-door hardtop, which we know it is. And then the L is the important number, right, that we're always looking for, which is a 444 barrel car. That's a great thing. Then the 9 is the last year of the digit, so for 69. And then the plant, and then our serial number. This car kind of has a neat serial number, 111222. That's just kind of neat. Obviously, like I said, I got this car in between, so I'm gonna be pulling the dash out. Somebody did some cheap blasting, and I'm really kind of thinking we're gonna actually replace it. It's pretty bad, but we'll be pulling all this off, restoring it, and then that's going to be a good one because I'm going to show you guys how to clean up and restore that column by yourselves at home, so you could do it, you know, super easy. We're going to be pulling all that harness, everything out, rewiring, doing all new harness, cleaning it up, and making all that, you know, better. But as we can see, the paint job looks really nice. The dash, you can see they cut corners. It's just a mess. And then one last thing I wanted to show you guys on the rivets. Okay, so if you're buying a car and you see regular rivets on there, like, you know, your Home Depot or whatever, somebody messed with it. You can see on these, they actually look like a Chrysler Pentastar. Those are the correct rivets. So I can see it hasn't been pulled off, but something to look for, especially even if you're just buying a car that's restored. That's something I always like to look, make sure it has the correct rivets on it. But I'll be pulling that off, and then when I build the dash and we get the cluster and all that, we'll do an episode on that where I'll have it up on the jig, and then we build the dash here, and again, show you guys how you can do it.